Hey everyone, welcome back to my new video. This is Faiza, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to tie a silk scarf around your neck different ways. So if you want to keep watching, stay tuned. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using a silk medium-sized scarf, nothing too large or nothing too small, a medium size that lets me tie different type of knots around my neck. For this one, I'm going to be doing something called a double knot, where I'm going to be rolling up the scarf, putting it around my neck, and going to be tying it or doing a knot twice to create this sophisticated look. And this one happens to be one of my favorite looks. What I'm doing is folding the scarf in half, so creating a triangle shape, and using that triangle shape, I'm gonna put that triangle shape on my front portion, tie it at the back, and you can keep it outside, or you can even keep it I guess you can tuck it into your shirt as well. What this does is it creates this elegant, sophisticated look that I can wear, I guess, on a regular day, or you can even wear it to work. It just looks so elegant and nice that I can't even, I guess, explain it. So this is called the airline stewardess look, and you guys, I think, know what I'm talking about. This is where how air hostesses or on the plane wear their scarves. I love this look. What I'm doing is I'm just going to be folding the scarf, and I'm going to be wrapping it around my neck, not once but twice, and pulling it aside. I'm going to be doing just one knot, not more than that, and it's going to create this really nice look. If you guys forgot to wear a necklace one day, then this might just come in handy. So this is called the necklace tie. So what I'm doing is, again, I folded that scarf already. I'm just going to be doing a knot. Once I'm done doing the knot, I'm going to be putting it around my neck, making sure that knot sticks out at the front, and I'm going to be tying it at the back, creating this look called the necklace look. Again, I just love this look. So if you guys just, I guess, forgot to wear a necklace one day, you can just use this and wear this around your neck. So this one is called the half knot. Instead of folding it into a triangle, I actually fold it in half to make it a triangle, and I'm gonna roll it over. Again, once I'm done doing that, I'm going to put this around my neck, and I'm going to tie it. What this does is it gives more volume towards the end. It looks a bit more fluffy at the bottom as compared to the previous knots that I've done. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and make sure to check out my latest videos as well. I do post every week, so if you guys again have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.